according to everyone else, I'm very busy, but I'm at home. Please such movies because you guys will not put this out soon, no?
I don't know. Hopefully next week, if that is enough time.
Oh, yeah.
Throughout the watching of the movie, when I was watching your character Prabha, there were moments where I wanted to reach in and like, she's so intense and there's so much grief and there's so much stoicism that I felt almost like shaking Prabha and wondering, why are you so sad, you know?
I was telling Payal that this character like angries me, man. Like,
So you didn't relate to Prabha as a character at all?
no, I can't. I don't have anything like Prabha actually. Like, actually, I don't have anything like any of the characters in the film.
Huh.
Nothing, not even Anu. I'm not any of those women. I'm not. Never been any of them. I think. Everyone I know was auditioning for Prabha. Every house I was going to Kerala, everyone was like, Kani, I have got this audition. Somebody called Payal Kabadia, this character Prabha, and I was like, I also shot for some people sometimes. And then,
So you shot somebody else's interview audition as well.
Yes, and then, after a few months, Payal said that day we were very rushed in the way we did audition. Kani, I would like to audition you one more time. Will you come again? So even Divya was also called again to audition for Prabha. Then we did audition and Payal selected me. Then Payal thought Divya can also probably try Anu. Then she auditioned for Anu also. I don't know how many people have auditioned for all the part in this film. Everybody has auditioned for everything. Then we were there was one moment, there were a lot of friends. All of us have auditioned for this film. We are all growing up, understanding, learning, unlearning the aesthetics, beauty, what is beauty, why something is sensual, why something is sexual. So all that, and so we can sit and study also. Of course, at one point it will all become subjective.
What is happening in the Malayalam film industry, right? For the last 7 years.
You tell me, you know better. The way WCC is working. I have so much respect for everyone in that, and I know they are very resilient, and they will make sure it will come out. They will do something for it to come out. They will do their best for it to come out.
There was a question about the film Biryani, which has, been talked about a lot as being an Islamophobic film, and you were questioned as to why you were part of it, and you've always maintained that you had your reasons.
For me, where I draw the line is, sometimes there are nuanced problems, sometimes there is more deliberated, and that's a spectrum. In that, if it is something extremely deliberately on the face for me, I may not do it. And I feel this, and I will talk to him, this is or her, this is the problem. This is the director, I'll say this can be the problems I may see, and hence I don't want to. But if it's not something deliberate and they say, see, this is not what Kani am doing. For example, Sajin Babu, the director of Biryani, he's never seen the film as Islamophobic. He's saying that's not what my intention is. These are what I'm trying to tell to the film. And did he fail in doing that? Even though he thought that and he made the film and it turned out to be Islamophobic, if that's what others say, and not everyone. Some people may still say, no, it is still not Islamophobic. It is not that, and it will be. So for me, when Sajin talked to me, of course he hasn't directed it, and he said, these are my intentions. That intentions were convincing for me.
Did you watch Animal?
Yeah, I did.
What did you feel about the film?
I thought the film was, I don't know, it was very controversial.